Hey guys, this is the way my truck sounds. I know my cousin did this, but nice and quiet. But I got issues with my DPF filters, so I'm doing a delete, and my parts should be in tomorrow. So tonight I'm probably gonna start taking everything off, and then tomorrow when the stuff comes in, then I will put everything back together and we'll see what it sounds like after that. But yeah, I'll be glad to get rid of it, that junk. The other thing is, I got a new fuel filter put in, which I'll also show a picture of that, which is pretty bad shape, but yeah, I guess I will see you later. Alright guys, it's been almost a week actually since I've said something about my truck being still stock and doing I'm going to be doing the delete. Well, it's Sunday, and a few days ago, Thursday, is when I got my truck back and running. But anyways, this is what it sounds like now. And with the exhaust brake on, this is without the exhaust brake, and this is with the exhaust brake. Anyways, I kind of like it. I like the sound of the exhaust brake on cold startup. Anyways, I guess that might be it for this video, but I'll let you go if you like this video of the sound of my 2010 Cummins. I guess good. But anyways, peace out. Alright, I am back. Truck is dirty. So I got a few things done this morning, but first of all, going back to the exhaust, I decided to go ahead and delete the muffler. I got a little piece of flex pipe in there. I don't know if I'll keep that in there or if I will switch it out, because with that flex pipe you can actually take and move this thing around. So I will probably go and get something that's going to be a little bit better than that. But anyways, so those who know of the foam that is in the intake that goes in between the turbo is, I cannot switch. It helps as a little bit of a silencer. I don't know what the whole thing is for sure, but it's in between the air filter and the turbo. I pulled that filter out, or not the filter, but the piece of foam. So maybe I'll hear a little bit more turbo on the inside. I don't know. We'll see. The air filter got cleaned. That was pretty dirty. But anyways, this is gonna be the test of the exhaust. that's what is idle on straight piped. So anyways, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, and yeah, peace out.